In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that allows you to organize your personal and professional life in a flexible and customizable way. Whether you want to track your daily exercise, reading goals, or water intake, a habit tracker can help you stay on path and maintain your momentum. Let's get started. First, open up Notion and create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon in the sidebar or by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and N if you're on a Windows computer or Command and N on a Mac. Give your page a meaningful title like Habit Tracker so it's easy to locate at a glance. Once the page is created, click on Add a Cover and add icon options to make your tracker aesthetically pleasing and easily identifiable. A nice-looking page can motivate you to keep coming back, reinforcing your habit-building journey. Now, in your new page, we'll set up a database. Click on the blue Add a Block option and select Table Inline. This will place a new, blank table directly onto your page, which serves as the core of your habit tracker. Next, let's modify this table to suit our needs. The first column should be reserved for days. Click on the column heading, rename it to Date, and set the property type to Date. This will allow you to select dates from a calendar as you proceed. For the subsequent columns, create a heading for each habit you want to track, whether it's exercise, reading, water, or any other personal goals you have. It's helpful to be specific so that you can measure your progress accurately. To add additional columns or habits, simply click the plus icon on the table header. You can customize each column with a checkbox property type. This way, you can easily tick off habits as you complete them throughout the day. Now that we have the structure, let's add a new view. Notion's great at letting you visualize data in different ways. Click on the Add a View drop-down button next to the View menu, select Calendar and name it as Habit Calendar. This view allows you to glance at your habit progress over the month. Here's a helpful tip: consider adding a notes column by selecting Add a Column, naming it accordingly, and setting its property to text. The notes section can be invaluable for jotting down reflections, insights, or reasons why you might have missed a habit. To enhance usability, remember to regularly check in with your tracker. Maybe set a reminder in your phone or as a Notion notification. Tracking is only as effective as your commitment to it. In closing, don't be afraid to adjust and tweak the setup as you get more familiar with what works best for you. Building habits is a personal journey, and Notion offers the flexibility to support that process as it evolves. Happy tracking, and I hope this tool helps you stay on top of your game.